In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload image in Shopify. We're going to walk through the process step by step so you can confidently add images to any product in your store. This is really important because good product images are a big part of how customers decide what to buy. So let's make sure you know exactly how to get them into Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the option labeled Products and click on it. This will open a list of all the products in your store. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific product you want to update. When you find it, click on the product name to open the product editor. Inside the product editor, you'll see different sections like title, description, pricing, and so on. What you want to look for is the media section. This is usually located just below the product description. In this area, you'll see any images that are already attached to this product. To add a new one, look for a hollow box with a plus icon in the middle and click on it. When you click that box, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up shows images that are already stored in your Shopify files. If the image you want is already there, you could select it directly. But if you need to upload a brand new image from your computer, look for the option that says Add Media and click on that. Now, your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the folder where you've saved the product image you want to use. It's a good idea to choose a clear, high-quality image that represents your product well. Once you've found the right file, click on it to select it, then click Open. Shopify will start uploading your image. Give it a few seconds to finish. The upload time can vary depending on your file size and internet speed. When the upload is complete, you'll see the new image appear in the pop-up. If everything looks good, click Done at the bottom right corner of that pop-up to confirm your selection and close it. Before you leave the page, there's one crucial final step. Go to the top of the product editor and click the Save button near the search bar. This makes sure your new image is actually applied to the product and visible in your store. Once it's saved, your product image is successfully uploaded in Shopify.